Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Johnson again, coming in with your phonics lesson for the week. And this is week 5.6, so this mini lesson that I'm going to give you on phonics is going to help you with your passages and reading that you're doing in this week's work. So what we'll be learning today for our phonics is our third sound of U. U makes three sounds. U says U, That third sound, can be identified in a sound box just like this with, I like to call it a diaeresis. I know it's not the double, but it's like a little dot, so it's similar to the diaeresis. So it has just one dot over the U in the sound box, and it can be spelled with just a simple U or the double O. For example, if it's spelled with a simple U, it can be like the U in push. Push. And that is the third sound of U. And then we have the double O, like in book. That is spelled double O, but this is the sound box that it belongs to. It's that third U sound. So I am going to write a couple of words, and hopefully you can help me decode these at home. So the first word that I'm going to write is simply spelled with one simple U, but it's making that third sound of U. So here we go. Put. Put it away. Put. We can also use this word right here. Consonant, vowel that makes the third sound of U, and then a diagram. Bush. It's not so hard. It's not difficult at all. All we know is that the U does make three sounds, and when we see these words, we will be able to identify them. The next one is also simple because it's using the spelling double O to make that third sound. And the first word that we have right here, look. That double O is making that third U sound. We also have this word right here. It has the digraph, the double O that we're working with that makes that third U sound, and the K, consonant K. So here we go. Sh, sh. And we'll do one more. We know G says G. The double O makes that third U sound, and D says D. G, D. Good. So hopefully that helps with this week's work for 5.6. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you.